There are so many reasons why you may decide to block someone on LinkedIn, whether it's people sending inappropriate messages, people asking you on dates, or even marriage proposals, or if it's an employer that's giving you a hard time because you're building your personal brand and you just don't want them to see your content. Whatever your reason may be, I respect you, and in this video, I'm showing you how you block someone on LinkedIn. What we're going to do is we're basically blocking myself from a different account. And so you need to go on the profile of the person that you're looking to block, and then you click on more right here, and then you'll be able to see a couple of options. So what you're going to do is report/block. And then you will be able to click right here, block this person, and then this person will basically no longer exist to you on LinkedIn. They won't be able to see your content. If they search for you on LinkedIn, they can't see you at all. And so you press block, and then it tells you the blocked member won't receive any notifications of this action. So basically, Lisa Appiah is completely blocked on this account. This person has no interaction with me at all on LinkedIn. But let's say a couple of months later, you decide to change your mind and you actually want to unblock the person. So how do you unblock them now? So right here at the top where it says me, you're just going to click on that there and you get a couple of options. So what you're going to do is go to settings and privacy. From there, you are then going to click on visibility. This is going to bring you to different settings, and the one you're going to choose is the one down here, which is blocking. And you'll see you've blocked Lisa Appiah just a minute ago. So what you do is you click on unblock right here, you enter your password, and then you click unblock member. And then that's it, the person is unblocked. So that's the way that you block and unblock someone. So if for whatever reason you're trying to block someone, all I want you to keep in mind is that it's not the same thing as removing the person as a connection. If you remove the person as a connection, they can actually search for you and find you. All that's going to change is that instead of being a first-degree connection, they're now a second or third-degree connection. So if you actually want the person to not see you at all on LinkedIn, that you don't exist at all on LinkedIn to them, you need to block them. And you can follow these steps in the video. I hope you found this helpful. I have tons of videos where I share how-tos related to LinkedIn. They're all LinkedIn quick tips in a few minutes. Click on the playlist right here to watch the next one. I'll see you in that one. Take care.